This video, I'm going to teach you how to undo changes in WordPress Elementor. So if you have actually added some changes and you actually don't want it added anymore, then this video is for you. In order to do this, head over first to your actual WordPress. Open in here a new tab and then go to wordpress.com. And then once you're in here, make sure to actually log in or sign up if you do not have an account yet. So since I already have an account, it actually shows up right here, and you can see that I already have in here my own account. Now, once you have your own account, it should be able to show you in here your actual site. So for example, we're actually editing this site. Let's try to add in here an element, WordPress Elementor element. You can see in here some media, designs, as well as widgets. So typically, there are themes as well as widgets from certain applications as well as embeds, and you should be able to see them right here. If you can also search in here for a specific element that you want by clicking on the search, and you can search in here for Elementor if you would want. Now, for example, we have added right here an actual heading, or you can also add some paragraphs, medias, and links. For example, under this case, let's head over and add in here a particular part. Let's add in here latest comments. You can just long press it and then put it wherever you want it. And then as you can see, it has added right here. Now you have changed your mind and you don't want it anymore. What you can do is you can either click onto this three dots right here and then head over and click on delete, or you can click onto this background icon right here and then click on undo, or you can also click onto the Control Z onto your keyboard in order to undo the changes that you have made. So that's how you undo changes in WordPress Elementor. Hope you helped.